But let's bring in Samit Chauhan then. Hi Samit, thanks so much for joining in. Couple of questions. Support levels for the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. What are those levels you're looking at?
Good morning, Nigel. Yesterday's fall from the levels of 7480, 7500 was certainly unexpected for us. Today it has given a breakdown from its support level of 7350. Despite all these developments, we are not expecting substantial from current level. For Nifty, now important level is around 70 to 50, 70 to 60. And on a closing basis, if Nifty manages to move beyond 7350, then we could see immediate bounce probably towards 7480, 7500. So as of now, we are looking at two key levels on the lower side 70 to 50 and on the higher side 7350. For Bank Nifty, 14700, 14800 holds a key support level. So as long as Bank Nifty sustains above 14700, 14800, we are likely to move within a band of say 14700 to 15200, 15300 kind of band. As far as individual stocks are concerned, we are looking for buying opportunities in individual stocks.
All right, then so could you take us through some of those individual picks? Then Samit, I believe that you're looking to buy a big boy Reliance Industries that's giving in some support to the Nifty at least.
Yes, Nigel. From the levels of 900, 880, we saw a good rally towards 1080, 1085. The entire up move has now retraced by 50%, and we are now seeing a strong support around 950, 940. Thus, going forward, we expect an immediate bounce. That bounce could be beyond 1000 rupees. We have a target of 1038, and it can be bought by keeping a stop loss around 915. Our other buy call would be on Siemens for a target of 1140, stop loss 990. The stock is finding a strong support around its lower end of the falling wedge pattern on weekly charts, which is placed around 990,000 levels. After 2 to 3 days of consolidation yesterday, it managed to give an intraday breakout beyond its resistance of 1050, 1060. However, it has come off a bit, but we believe it could be a very good buying opportunity, and we have a target of 1140 for Siemens.
All right, Samit, thanks so much for joining in and giving us your take on the Nifty, the Bank Nifty, as well as on the couple of stocks that you mentioned. By the way, just pull up a few stocks from the Nifty itself.